triangle shelf like I made in the past, except for this one, like I said, it's going to be the shelf version, which I made a long time ago. Sort of lays out like this, like a 3 blank sort of setup. These are just pine, cut it 3.5 by 20 inches. And then we're going to do 60-degree miters on them all the way around. They line up like this. And then we're going to put a cross piece in the middle, making a shelf. The centerpiece is going to vary depending on how high you want it to sit up, if you want multiples. Now that we've got them all made up and where we want them, we're going to sand them all. And then stain, paint, oil, whatever you want. So the first one we got is Danish oil. Just sand and wipe down with this. It's nice and natural, hence the name of it, natural. The next one's Crimson Color Express by Minwax, which is actually a dye, which working with dyes, watch out in the heat, they dry faster and you get splotches. And then the last one is Ebony Stain by Minwax. This is just your standard stain.